Every database I create, whether from our catalog or custom-built, includes these intelligent features that make your work faster and easier. Let me show you. Smart Search dropdown found at the top left of all forms along with New Record and Close buttons at the right top. Find any record in seconds, not minutes. To speed up data entry, you will find pick lists that allow for quick data entry by accessing pre-existing data and automatically entering it for you. If you need an item not found on a list, you are first asked if you want to add it. If you say yes, it adds it for you and then takes you to another form where you may enter any additional data you might need about that new item. When you are done and have closed that form, you are brought back to the form you were on. You will now see that the item has now been added to that list. Whenever you need to quickly view records that are related to the record you are on, this View Related Records button will open up a form showing those related records. And here's the magic. All calculations happen automatically. Change a quantity or price, and the totals update instantly. Your data stays consistent. Your reports stay accurate. These features are standard in every database. Visit online.save.com to see our catalog or request a custom database.